book that's been written, The Book of Joy, which is based on conversations between you and Archbishop Desmond Tutu. It's a fascinating, entertaining and very enlightening book. But what brings you joy in your life? Because it's not conventional things. You don't really take any joy from what most people take joy from. You lead a different kind of life. Where do you find joy?
Peace of mind. And use human wisdom maximum way. Actually, most of destructive emotions are unrealistic. The positive emotions, such as infinite sort of love, these things, there is sound basis. So the previous Pope, I usually call German Pope, you see, he mentioned once, the faith and the reason must go together. So reason means analyze the reality. So now some scientists say the basic human nature is more compassionate.
What do you think? I mean, you're the best person to ask this question. What is the meaning of life?
Happiness, joyfulness. There's no question. Reason. Every day is the present day, is the future, still mystery. No guarantee, but hoping a future okay. So our life very much based on hope. Once individual lost hope, then that very mental attitude shorten their life. And the worst case, suicide. So therefore, our life very much based on hope. Hope means something good. So therefore, the very meaning or purpose of our life is, I feel, joyfulness. And the religion also is to try to get maximum joyfulness.
Let me ask you, because most people who will be watching this interview, they find joy, or they think they find joy, in things that you don't touch. And I want to ask you about some of these things. You don't drink alcohol, right?
Yes.
You don't smoke cigarettes.
No.
Never have. You've never taken drugs. You don't use a computer.
Yes? No?
Never?
No.
Do you ever use email? Do you ever send email?
No, no.
Mobile phone?
One occasion, the former president of America, Mr. Bush, of course, we know.
Junior or senior?
Senior. Junior.
Junior.
Junior. Very close, my friend, very close each other. So one occasion, I got some sick in Dharamsala. So I think he got that information. So he telephoned me. So my secretary just brought one kasa. Mobile. So I listen to his voice. Then when I answer, so I bring here. Then my secretary say, "Oh, no need that."